beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome to today's video. For today's video, I want to be testing out the new Physician Formula Smudge Proof Brow Last LongWear Brow Gel. Now I did get the shade medium brown. I saw this at Target, it said new, so I was like, let's try it. So here it is up close. It looks really, really nice. I thought it would look pretty cool. So I'm going to open it up. It looks pretty interesting. So you have the cap, which has the spoolie brush right here, and then you pull it out, and then there's the brush with all the product on it. So I don't know. I'm pretty interested. I wonder how you get this. Hold on. How do you? Oh, duh, you just pull them over here twisting. So you just pop it out and then you have your spoolie right there. That's pretty convenient. So you have the brush in there and this. All right. So with this, what is it? Long-wearing, water-resistant, transfer-proof, smudge-proof, budge-proof brow transformer with brow-enhancing ingredients. Why is it good for you? The creamy, fiber-infused, multitasking formula conditions and protects while promoting strength for long-lasting results. Okay. Apply to the clean brow. Use angle tip brush applicator to create hair-like strokes to shape and define brows. Use spoolie to soften and apply more for a bolder brow. All right. So here it is up close. Pop this off and there is the spoolie, and then here is the product itself. I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand to kind of, it picks up a lot of product, like there's like a lot of product on the brush itself. So I'm just going to go like this and just kind of clean it off so that I'm not just like applying, you know, too much to my face, my eyebrow. So I did spoolie through the brows, so they are ready to go. So let's go in with the product and just pick up a little bit on the brush. Hopefully I like the brush. And I'm just going to lightly fill in. So the product feels kind of like in the middle of like, it feels a little bit more runny. It's not like super thick or anything, which what I was expecting. So that's my whole brow. What I like about it, I didn't think it was going to go a little bit deeper, because like this shade I was like, oh, maybe I should have gone with like a dark brown, but as it was drying it did get a little bit deeper, just like a little bit, which I like because I don't want to have a really like intense dark brow going on. Even though my eyebrows are dark, I just wanted it to look more like, oh, okay, like I could go out like this and like it wouldn't look harsh or anything, you know. So I'm just going to use the spoolie and just kind of work through the brow just so that there's no like clumpiness or anything like that, and it does not look that bad, which I'm pretty like, okay, does not look that bad. And it gives you just enough time to really work the product in your brows. Like it's not too crazy, like it doesn't dry down too fast or anything like that. It's really easy to move the formula around. What I don't like is that every time you pull out the product, you have like a lot on the brush. So you just have to make sure that you clean it off and don't just go boom like that, because of course you're gonna make mess. Just apply it to the back of your hand and then just work that way. I don't know how I said this the other day, but a FAMBAM member commented down below. But this is a Milani Conceal and Perfect. I think I said that right. And Perfect, right? I don't know. I guess I said it wrong. Conceal and Perfect. Perfect. Oh, I said perfect. Perfect. I think so. Perfect. Sorry, you guys. That's how I talk in real life. Like all the time. It's just like, ugh. And then when I'm so used to talking a certain way and stuff, like me and my brothers, I swear we're the only ones who understand each other. Okay, I'm just gonna clean up my brows real quick using a Makeup Shack brush. So this is already dry in the back of my hand. Let's see. Definitely smudge proof. So I'm gonna go in with the water bottle, the famous water bottle. And I already applied freaking concealer. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm just gonna move it up. So you guys see me going through my eyebrow. You guys can see my skin moving. Look at that. Oh yeah, that is definitely water resistant. You guys see that? Because some of you guys think I don't really tug at these brows, but I do. Look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, they're not going anywhere. Hell yeah. Look at that. Gonna go in there again. Keep moving it around. You guys can see, like, nothing. Okay, eyebrow. I'm gonna just bully that back out. And that was good. That was good. Okay, so I just went in with my LA Girl foundation, going in with the Beauty Junkies Pro Concealer, and I'm just gonna clean up on top of my brow. Actually really, really happy with them. So I'm just gonna finish my face and I'll be right back. So it is now 2:56. I'm going to continue my day. My brows look so freaking nice. I really like how my brows look right now. Like, they look really, really good. I just want to see how it lasts throughout the day so I can give you guys a full day impressions of how good they were. It's really nice outside. It's a little bit hot right now. Who knows, it might rain later on. Hopefully it does, so we can see how these last. Even though we already know they are waterproof, I just want to see how it is throughout the day, like how good it lasts throughout the whole day. So stay tuned. So here is my eyebrows right now. Really like how they look, so hopefully they stay like this all day. Okay, so it's now 6:43. This is how the eyebrows are looking. Still pretty good. Yeah, they look good. Okay, so I'm just going to do one last check-in, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna stay on all day. I am pretty positive that they're gonna be on all day. Just because how they look right now, they look good. No fading or anything. They look really, really, really nice. I'm really loving how this is working. It is now nighttime. Everything has freaking held up beautifully. The eyebrows have not moved all freaking day. I really like how everything is looking. Oh my gosh. Jade scratched me earlier and she got skin. So everything's still on, eyebrows included. Eyebrows I think did really, really good, and they look really, really nice. I posted a picture on Instagram and I just loved how like they didn't look super, super dark. So maybe the color that I did get is going to work for me. I was running around with the babies. I was cleaning house today, so I was sweating, but the eyebrows did not move. Like me rubbing it how I did earlier, sweat did not even, it didn't, it didn't even ruin it or anything. Like they look freaking good. If you guys have seen this one and you guys are like, I wonder if it works, I'm letting you know now. Yeah, it works. It kicks freaking butt. I feel like drugstore, I've been saying this for quite some time, has been really stepping it up, and eyebrow has been on all freaking day. It looks really, really nice. And what I like about it, it's not too harsh where I could just rock the eyebrow and it'll be fine. Like it's fine. It's not like really, really intense and I can just rock it. The only thing I don't like is the applicator that comes with the product. Like the brush itself I didn't really like it, but you can always dip into your other brushes and use that for it. So yeah, if you guys have been debating on whether or not you guys should pick it up, if you guys see it, definitely give it a try. You guys would not be disappointed. It kicked ass. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already to keep updated my videos, and make sure to check out my other videos. I will link some more eyebrow tutorials down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.